Alright guys, what's going on with y'all? It is Tuesday today. Probably a little later video. I had to do some stuff today. But man, honestly, I'm not proud of today. The struggles still are there, man. I've been struggling, man. Struggling. And it's just another losing day. Um, Probably this one's gonna be short just because just me talking about it just frustrates me. It gets me mad, irritated, more than anything, it just disappoints me because like I know what I have to do and I don't do it. So it's just I don't know. We're gonna be on this though, on this top step because this is where I did my markings today. I didn't use the trading view charts, so we're gonna be here. So I look, I look right, and I'm like, okay, I want to trade with the trend, right? Because yesterday I was trading against the trend. Today I was like, I'm gonna trade with the trend. So I noticed overall we've broken structure, right? So I was like, okay, I'm looking for shorts, right? I'm just looking for shorts, right? I'm looking for shorts, and let me see if the market can give me opportunity. So I see this big trend line, right? This big trend line. This is what I was waiting for. Is this big trend line? Um, but I also noticed this one right here forming the uptrend, right? On the uptrend, this trend line right here forming. I was like, man, I'm like, okay, I got an overall trend line to go down, which that was my bias, or I got this new one forming right here up top. So I'm like, okay, what do I do, right? So I'm like, um, so I woke up around here. I got on the charts around 6:40, and I'm like, okay, we got this support, right? Right here. We had this support because every time that price wanted to go here, they buyers pushed up, came in and pushed it up. So I'm like, okay, I draw up a fib. I'm like, okay, um, where are they most likely to take profit? These are my three take profit areas. One, two, three. Um, one, two, three. So I'm like, okay, there's a confluence in this area that they're gonna take profit and then we'll continue to go down. The thing that I didn't realize was look at these higher lows we're forming. I mean, just higher lows get a little pushed down. That's manipulation, but overall we're making these higher lows, right? So we're making these higher lows, and I failed to realize that, right? I failed to realize that we're making those higher lows. So the price actually wanted to go up. It didn't want to continue going down, right? But I was so stuck on, hey, I want to sell, right? And it's just like, again, I'm not looking at price what's telling me, and it's so frustrating, man. Like, it's so frustrating, man. It really is. It really is. So the trade I took was right here on this 5 minute, right? On this 5 minute engulfing, I was like, okay. Um, and the thing is, okay. So I was distracted. You'll be like, why did you go in there? Like, it broke the trend line. Obviously, it broke the trend line. Why'd you go in there? Okay. So I used to have this problem where I used to look at the charts, just the charts. Like I would just be trading just looking at the charts, and I would start selling stuff to myself and basically taking trades um that are don't go with my plan, and basically just taking random trades because I would just be staring at the market so much. So what I've done now is I do something else, some other stuff that I gotta work on, and on my other monitor I put the charts over here, and I put a like a alert whenever it gets there. If I see that like one of my entry areas, like an engulfing happens, then I'll enter the trade. But what I've noticed, and I think I'm gonna go back to the uh, staring at the charts, because what I've noticed is when I do that, I've been doing that last week. I'm doing it this week, but I'm gonna change it tomorrow, is that I focus on what I'm doing, like not the charts, what else I'm doing, and then I don't see all this happen. Like I don't see like, you know, a head and shoulders created because I'm not looking at the charts. I'm just looking, you know, where price has it is at the moment when it hits my alert, right? I'm not looking back. So I think that's what's caused me to lose, because if I was staring at the charts and I was looking and I kept analyzing as the price was moving, I would have seen this trend line break. I would have been like, okay, boom, trend line break, price wants to go higher. I'm not looking for sales no more. So instead of a losing day, this could have easily been a no trading day. You know what I'm saying? So that's just what I gotta focus on, is that I'm gonna go back to just staring at the charts, you know, and just having that discipline to only go in when my plan tells me to go in. Cause I don't know about y'all, but when I stare at the charts, it plays some type of thing on me where, you know, every setup looks like the perfect setup. You know what I'm saying? I think it's just my antsiness to get in and stuff like that. But I don't know. We're gonna try that out tomorrow and see how that works tomorrow, because man, what I'm doing right now is not working. So I need to change something. It is not working. So I need to figure it out what it is. And I've noticed that that's one of my factors, that I don't fully pay attention to the charts when I'm trading. So I'm gonna do that, see if that helps. But I gotta figure it out, because this cannot keep happening. I cannot keep having these losing days on some dumb crap like this. Like, it's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. Like, I have a plan that is profitable and I still lose. You know what I'm saying? Like, this plan is profitable. It's just me. Like, it's 100% me. So I don't know, guys. Pretty frustrating day. Um, but hey, we here. We have another day. Thanks to Jesus Christ. He gave me another day. So every day is a good day. So nonetheless, guys, a little late video. Apologize for that. Just had some stuff to do, but I'll be back tomorrow, Wednesday. We'll see where it goes. It's gonna be a win, baby. It's gonna be a win. It's either gonna be a win or trading day. I'm calling it. I'm calling it. I have confidence. Um, but yeah. So be sure to watch that video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. And always remember that Jesus loves you. Peace.